install your KT's outside the waistband belt loop. Welcome to KT's how-to guide. When you receive your holster in the mail, one or both belt loops may need to be installed due to the shipping box size limitation. In your packaging, you'll find a set of belt loops and fasteners. First, you want to make sure you put the rubber gasket around the binding post. Next, you're going to insert the binding post through one of your belt loops, and then you're going to position it to your preferred slot. Next, you're going to want to start the screw by hand. Once the screw is set, you can either use a hand tool or a power tool. Just make sure you do not over-tighten. Once you figure out your preferred setup, it's a good idea to apply a very small amount of blue non-permanent thread locker to keep it from coming loose. That's it. Thank you for watching.